write W?
Let's write W. Big W starts at the top. Down to the bottom, back to the top, down to the bottom, back to the top. That's big W. Small w starts in the middle. Middle to bottom, back to middle, back to bottom, back to middle. Small w. Let's do it one more time. Big W. Top, bottom, top, bottom, top. Small w. Middle, bottom, middle, bottom, middle. Big W, small w. Wah, wah, wah.